back to the Mom Minute. It's day 26 and we're officially in the home stretch of our 31-day series. Make sure you go back and check out any of them that you might have missed, and make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss future ones. Now, if you're somebody who's struggling to keep your ribs stacked or feel like you're losing your core connection the second you stand up, today's tip is going to be a total game changer, okay? This is especially helpful if you are newly postpartum and still kind of getting some strength back as well, or maybe you just can't quite figure things out yet. When we think of working out, we usually picture ourselves standing, lunging, jumping, but for many moms, especially in the early stages of postpartum recovery, or even further out if you're still trying to master some pressure management or learn what that even means, standing can actually be too demanding on the system. Standing requires your core and your pelvic floor to work just a little bit to help keep you upright against gravity. So if you don't have a handle on your posture or your core strength just isn't there yet, it's gonna make it much harder to focus on breathing, stacking the rib cage over your hips properly, and getting good form so that you're really maximizing the exercise. So go seated. A nice seated workout can be really great, okay? You get a nice feedback from the bench. It helps easily stack. It's significantly easier on your brain and your body to find neutral when you have the feedback of the chair or the bench. It can help reduce some pressure because sitting takes some of the vertical load off the pelvic floor, letting you focus on that bottom up corset contraction without feeling overwhelmed. You're not fighting as much gravity, okay? Form is always going to come first. So sitting allows you to build some upper body and core strength that you need for real life, like those seated nursing sessions or car rides, and it prepares you for standing and doing the dishes, changing diapers in a much more controlled environment. So don't view seated exercises as easy or modified. View them as a strategic way to master your form and really focus on what matters first. If you want to see some more seated moves or even some laying on the ground that might help too, I recommend you grab my pelvic floor essentials guide at the link below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 27.